12 volts DC. Between pin 1 and pin 2. I'm going to remove it. It shines brighter. Okay, let's put this one back. This is 400 mK between 1 and 2. Plank, 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 plank. Okay, let's get one out. Let's try 4.7 microfarads between 1 and 2. This should turn off immediately. A few seconds. It's not turning off. Okay, let's try reversing it. So the minus part should be there at the minus. This is the minus part, that white mark on it. So let's put that one to the minus. Yes, it's working. So if you use a polarized capacitor like this one, then you have to use exactly the minus side on the minus side, and you can use a non-polarized cap also, and that can be put in any direction you want. Let's try another one. 47 NJK, whatever. It won't fit. Ooh, I have to hold it. 47, and it's blinking like this. Okay, and this one is 102K. That's way too slow or too fast, I don't know. This is 100 MK. That's pretty fast also. This one is too small, I think. I think it's blinking very, very fast. And when I'm pulling it out, now it's brighter. 10 NK. Let's try that one. I'm not sure what is this doing. Another small one. Nothing visible. On the camera it's somehow visible. You can't see it with your naked eye. And if I take it out, yes, there is a difference. So maybe it's blinking, but it's blinking very, very fast, and my eye is not picking it up in the reality, but the camera picks up something. And that's too small also. It's not visible when you're on the camera. Okay, so I use this yellow cap. It's blinking fast. And let's try a relay instead of the LED. Ooh. Let's decrease the voltage. The frequency is not decreasing, only the intensity. It's closing much better with a higher voltage. And that's 12 volts. Okay, now I replaced the 1 mega ohm resistor, which was between pin 6 and 7. I replaced it with a 100 kilo ohm potentiometer, and listen to the difference, how the relay will sound. Okay, let's replace that with the LED. Let's see. Now it's visible something on the camera, it's flashing. So it's probably flashing at a frequency higher than the camera's 23.9 frames per second. So I can't see anything with my own eye, but something is visible on the camera. And if I increase it, then it's not. Now it's still visible something on the camera. Now it's not visible on the camera. Ooh, and it's even brighter. So here is flashing, and if I rotate it to the other direction, here from the potentiometer, then it's brighter. Let's connect back the 1 mega ohm resistor into the circuit. So now I'm using the 1 mega ohm plus the 100 kilo resistor. No visible change, so I need the 1 mega ohm variable resistor here, potentiometer. Okay, let's try it with a 12 volt electric motor. So that's blinking. Let's disconnect the LED and use this 12 volt electric motor. It's a DC motor. And that's the pulse that is being created. Okay, now let's take out the 1 mega ohm resistor. It's making music. Okay, now I'm modifying the 100 kilo ohm resistor potentiometer. Okay, it's generating some audio signals also. And now there's a speaker connected to the circuit, and if I add another capacitor in parallel with that yellow one, then the sound changes. Now it's lower. Or I can add in parallel with the speakers the LEDs, and you can notice that the speaker is consuming a lot of current, because if I connect it directly onto the LED is much more brighter. Now the speaker is consuming. Now it's only the LED. Speaker plus LED, only LED. Okay, let's take off this capacitor. Now it's much faster, and the sound is much faster. Now that yellow capacitor is making this sound. But let's switch that one. I think it's a smaller one that will create a higher frequency. That's, I think, a way too high frequency, and we can't even hear the sound. It's ultrasound, I think. If I touch the capacitor, then I'm altering a little bit the frequency, the capacitance. I'm just squeezing the two leads of the capacitor. And the more I squeeze it, the lower the sound is generated. Here is a small one. That's too small. Ultrasound, I think. That's a low frequency. Okay, so let's put this one back. That's a bit normal. Capacitors. These are not polarized. Let's try a polarized one, but these are bigger. No, that's way below 1 Hertz. This is good. Nothing too big. That's the best one for making audible sound. That's a quartz. Let's try that one. Nothing. Capacitor. Yep. Okay, that's it.